Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Friendly. For few months I will be teaching on the study table instead of that whiteboard, as I have to change the setup of my classroom. So kindly cooperate with me and rest everything will be as earlier. Now let's start the class. In today's class we will do question number 9 of exercise 3.2 from chapter number 3, which is playing with numbers, from 6th class Maths NCERT book. Now let us read this question. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 so that there is no prime number between them. Okay, so let's do the solution. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers. So we have to write 7 consecutive composite numbers, means all the 7 numbers should be all composite numbers, means in between those numbers there should be no other number. All the 7 numbers one after the other should be composite number. Okay, like see, if I write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and so on. Okay, so what is this? This is a prime number, this is a prime number, this is a composite number, this is again a prime number, this is composite number, like that. See, this is composite number, this is composite number, this is composite number. So this is not the consecutive composite numbers, because in between there comes a prime number. In between these two composite number there comes a prime number. So we have to write 7 consecutive prime numbers, means all the 7 numbers should be all consecutive. There should be no prime number in between those 7 composite numbers. Okay, so there should be all 7 consecutive numbers. There should be no prime numbers in between the numbers. Like here, in between these two composite number there is a prime number. Between these two composite number there is a prime number. If I write 9 10 11. So after this, this is also a composite number, this is also a composite number, and then again a prime number comes. So what is that? In between the composite numbers there comes prime numbers also. Okay, write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. We have to write from 1 to 100 all the numbers, and then we have to find the 7 consecutive prime numbers. In between those consecutive numbers there should be no prime numbers. Okay, so what is the question? Less than 100 so that there is no prime number between them. There should be all 7 consecutive prime numbers less than 100. Okay, so first I will write all the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Then we will find that is there any 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. So let us write the prime numbers from 1 to 100. The first prime number is 2. Okay, the second is 3 5 7 11 13 17 So these are all prime numbers between 1 to 100. Okay, and rest all the numbers except these numbers are the composite numbers. You have already learnt about composite and prime numbers in the previous questions, right? Prime numbers are what? Prime numbers are the numbers which have only 2 factors, means the numbers which are only divisible by which are exactly divisible by only 2 numbers are known as prime numbers, and the numbers which have more than 2 factors are known as composite number, means the numbers which are exactly divisible by more than 2 numbers are composite numbers. Okay, so I have written all the numbers, all the prime numbers between 1 to 100. There are 25 prime numbers between 1 to 100. Rest all 75 numbers, not all 75 numbers, because 1 is not the prime number. Okay, and in between these numbers there are all composite numbers. So we have to find that between these two numbers there is a number which is composite number 4, but that is only one number, right? Between these two numbers there is 6, that is composite number. Between these two numbers there is 8, 9, 10, which is 3 numbers are there which are composite number. Between these two numbers we have only one number which is composite. So the gap between these two is, how many composite numbers are there between these two numbers? There is 14, 15, 16, 3 numbers. Like that, in this, between these two numbers only one number is there. Between these two numbers how many are there? Between 19 and 23 we have 20, 21, 22. These 3 numbers are composite numbers. Okay, between these two numbers we have only 5 numbers, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, right? Between these two numbers we have only 5 composite numbers, but in this question we have to write the 7 consecutive prime numbers. So after 31 we have 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive prime, 5 consecutive composite numbers between 31 and 37, but we have to write 7 consecutive composite numbers. Okay, and there should not be any prime number between them, but we have the 6th number is the prime number. We want 7 consecutive composite numbers, right? After 37 we have 41. The gap between these two, how many composite numbers will be there? There will be 3 composite numbers, right? 38, 39, 40. Between these two only one composite number is there. Between these two again we have 3 composite numbers. Between these two we have how many? 5 composite numbers. Like that, between these two numbers we have how many composite numbers? We have 5 composite numbers, 54, 55, 56, 57 and 58. Between these two we have only one composite number, that is 60. 59 is the prime number, this is prime number, 60 is the composite number. Between these two we have 5 composite number. Again, between these two numbers we have only one composite number, that is 72. Between these two numbers we have 5 composite numbers. Between these two again we have 3 composite numbers. Between these two numbers we have 5 composite number. Between these two numbers, let us see how many numbers are there. Okay, because between these two numbers all the numbers will be composite numbers. So 89, this one is 89. So the number is 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are 7 consecutive composite numbers. Okay, so we have got the answer. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 so that there is no prime number between them. Between these numbers there is no prime number in between. These are the 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. Okay, so what can we write? These are, you can take it in a bracket. Okay, and these numbers are 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. Okay, this is our answer. So you have understood this question. In the next class we will do question number 10 of exercise 3.2 from chapter number 3, which is playing with number, from 6th class maths NCERT book. If you like my teaching, then share the video with your friends and relatives and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of the upcoming videos. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.